Hello learners, welcome back to First Step, students preferred channel for crisp and focused to the point knowledge base of commerce and management. Here we are discussing about most of the important topics of commerce and management area which will be helpful for your curriculum, academic and professional world. Learners, it is matter of pleasure that we have crossed subscription more than expected and the channel is growing. So please subscribe, learn. For the future videos, please press bell icon and click on all the videos. I'll be discussing about the more and more concepts about commerce and management in this channel. Topic is entrepreneurship. It's a very relevant and required topic to understand for anyone who is interested in commerce, economics and business area. Everybody aspire to become an entrepreneur. Every economy needs entrepreneur because the parameters of inflation, equations of supply and demand can be scattered by the existence of entrepreneurs and their role becomes critical. So it is a very important topic for any curriculum in commerce and management to understand entrepreneurship. Before understanding entrepreneurship, let us understand entrepreneur. Entrepreneur are the people who have the energy, who have the courage, who have the creativity, who has the innovations to start dream, create idea, convert idea into actual activities, and after activities they become successful. These persons are commonly business owners who seeks to generate values through their creation and expansion of economic activities. They exploit, identify new products and processes of the markets, or they may also do the same for the new markets. These are the people who are defined by their actions and not the size of organization. The organizations or enterprise may be new or old. The size may be any size, small or big. They are not identified for all these parameters. They are identified for the initiative they are run and the starting of the business that they have done and the phases through which they pass and then the success that they find. See, it is said, if you will not act today, somebody will act you. If you are not doing your job today, you will do the job for somebody. Entrepreneur are those people who act now, to take initiative, take risks and earn profit, and then by the passage of time they create enormous value and big corporates of their own. The enterprise is a business entity, a firm which is created by entrepreneur. In Indian context, it is more or less the small and medium-sized enterprise, SME sector. They include social enterprise also, which are also trading organizations which serve the primary social purpose and which can take variety of legal forms. After understanding entrepreneur, let us understand there are people who are working for some organization as employee on salary, but they create enormous value in terms of profitability of organizations and turnover of organization. These people enhances companies' turnover to multiple fold, manifold. These people are recognized in the organization like a new term called as entrepreneurs. They are entrepreneurs within the organizations. Everybody can become entrepreneur, but the initial zeal has to be there in the personality. So let me ask you a question. Are you an entrepreneur? Do you find entrepreneur in you? You have some idea? Because the entrepreneur starts from idea only. Entrepreneurship is to be understood once we have understood entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship is all the activity which is carried out by an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship is the activity of starting up, setting up a business or many businesses, taking financial risks, and these risks are taken in the hope that profit can be earned. Entrepreneurship is a process in which there are three major activities: the process of designing, the process of launching, and process of running of a new business enterprise, which is often a small business. The beginning of any river is in the form of creeks. The small tiny creeks takes the form of a mighty river, and the river takes the form of ocean. Similarly, every business starts with a small shape, and with the time, with the right effort, right decisions, and continuous commitment in performances, creates enormous size of business enterprise where society, nation, and globe, the humanity gets benefit of entrepreneurship in terms of products, in terms of services, in terms of different kind of employment, directly, indirectly, and impact on earnings of different people. There are ample examples of companies created by entrepreneurs, whether it is Tata's, Birla's, Reliance, Mahindra and Mahindra, any enterprise, any company that you see today, they used to be a small company one day, and because of the continuous commitment on the demands of professionalism, on the demands of organization, they have been development and developing, and they have created enormous enterprises. Each company has their own different story, unique stories for each enterprise for the success. One thing is common amongst all the enterprise, that they are committed to their goals and targets. Ideally speaking, anyone who has the capacity to start a venture and undertake risks, that become entrepreneur. But every entrepreneurs are not successful. There are certain characteristics of entrepreneurs and entrepreneurship which we will study. The characteristics of entrepreneurship is: number one, the ability to take risk. While the entire society, entire population is on the demand side, entrepreneur sits at the supply side. He is the person who takes initiative. He is the person with the courage to create the business, create the product or service, taking risks, and nothing comes without money. So he makes investment, he takes risks, he takes risks of money, he takes risks of laws abidance, he takes the risks of various dimensions to start the business. First risk is risk of exposure, risk of society, where whatever he does, if it is something new, people may say anything, but because of his confidence, his self-belief, the entrepreneur starts the business, taking risk. Second point is the entrepreneur understand the nature of business risk, its origin, its type, its quantum, its future, how it can be managed, how can the risk be broken into achievable, convertible benefits. So a complete detailed understanding of the nature of risk is carried out in entrepreneurship by entrepreneur, and then he moves forward. Third thing is innovation and creativity. These are the basic requirement for an entrepreneur to become successful. Every lock in the world has a key. So entrepreneurs are the people who one or the other way find the way to create path and move forward against any kind of hurdle coming into the path of their success and business. So these kind of people who have started business have tremendous amount of creativity and innovation. They make the enterprise success. Fourth point for an entrepreneurship is vision. The entrepreneur are the people who have a clarity of perception, clarity of vision. They can see the gap in today's world, today's supply and demand, product being served, processes of the nations, the resources of the nation, and there is an opportunity today in the existing market for existing product. Sometimes the entrepreneur can see 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and maybe today, if you look at the world, people are planning for more than 500 years from now, maybe 1000 years from now. We have sufficient example of people like Elon Musk and all who are planning for futuristic world. So these visions are perceptually clear for such entrepreneurs who can create a lot of wonders in the organization. And this is the way how the entrepreneur move. Fifth point in entrepreneurship is very, very important, and that is open-mindedness. The entrepreneur are the people who are required to work with different skill set of people at different levels and different forms. At every point of their business, they need to talk, get the job done, and move forward. So they are required to be people from open mind approach, because preconceived notion may not be any point of relevance for their business and existence. Since there are bigger risks involved, they have to be receptible and calculative in their move. They have to be pragmatic in their approach. The sixth point for entrepreneurship is confidence and well informed. These people, entrepreneurs, they are supposed to be self-motivated, they are supposed to be self-dependent, self-reliant, and they are guide for themselves. So they are centered towards their goal and the path to achieve the goal. So the confidence level of such people are very high, because they are also skillful and they are well informed about everything in and out about the enterprise, the business that they are running. The seventh and important point is the entrepreneur learns about the requirements of entire stakeholders of the enterprise. The stakeholders may be the people who lend the money, shareholders. The stakeholders may be the vendors and suppliers. The stakeholders may be employee. Stakeholders may be customer or customer relations officer or government authority. So they are knowing the requirements of these stakeholders. These are the characteristics of an entrepreneurship, and with these kind of characteristics, if it is present, the entrepreneur goes for success, and hence the entrepreneurship makes a success.